This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help you play World of Tanks on your laptop. First, let's ensure your machine is ready. You should check your laptop's specifications against the game's minimum requirements. Make sure your operating system is fully updated for the best performance. Also, a strong and stable internet connection is absolutely essential for smooth online multiplayer battles, preventing frustrating lag and disconnections during intense engagements. Once your laptop is prepared, optimizing in-game settings is key. You will want to adjust your graphics settings to find a good balance between visual quality and a consistent frame rate. For smoother gameplay, consider lowering the resolution and texture quality. Disabling unnecessary visual effects, such as shadows and anti-aliasing, can significantly boost your performance, especially on less powerful machines, giving you a competitive edge. Beyond in-game adjustments, several laptop-specific tips can enhance your experience. Always close any background applications to free up valuable system resources for the game. Keeping your laptop cool is vital. Overheating can lead to thermal throttling and noticeable performance drops. Furthermore, regularly updating your graphics drivers ensures improved game compatibility and often provides performance enhancements, keeping your system running efficiently. Finally, let's talk about gameplay. Take time to familiarize yourself with the keyboard and mouse controls for precise tank movement and aiming. Effectively utilizing the minimap and in-game communication tools is crucial for team coordination and situational awareness during battles. Don't forget to practice in training modes. This is an excellent way to master different tank classes and develop effective tactics before joining live matches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.